Hi, I'm Nate. I spend most of my days working here at Rainy Rose. What do we do at Rainy Rose? Well, it's not all fun and games. We manufacture cosmetic products. Are our products any good? Nah, they're the bee's knees. We don't just provide lip balms, lotions, sunscreens, and hand sanitizers. We're also in the advertising business, but maybe not how you think. You see, a lot of advertising options out there today make you have to be the bad guy. Don't believe me? Check it out.
My lips are so dry, I need something to drink.
Hi, can I help you? Hi, can I help you?
Want to lose weight in 30 days? Click here.
No, what is this?
Hi, can I help you?
Ah!
Want to earn?
Oh, I always wait till the last second.
Hi, can I help you? Want to earn up to $100,000 a year?
No,
Click
I
here.
just have to pee.
Hi, can I help you? Want to earn up?
What the? Where the hell am I? What? Oh my.
You meant to click the X, but you accidentally clicked me. So now we're in my place.
So don't be a zero, be a hero. Advertise with promotional products. Here you go, friend.
Why, thank you. This is so useful. I could really use this right now.
Hey, don't thank me. Thank. And speaking of bees, we're a certified B Corp company, which means we're environmentally friendly and socially conscious. We value our people and we give back to our community. We make homes for butterflies. That's right, homes for butterflies. Having inventory on hand is important. You might be asking, do we have enough inventory for your demand? Well, if a tree falls in a forest, jumps up as a joke, do the squirrels freak out? You bet your ass they do. We've got inventory! Nothing warrants this emoji like a late shipment. That's why we go to such great lengths to ship your orders out on time. In fact, we have an on-time shipping rate of 99.7%. The odds of us missing a ship date are about as good as Gary Anderson missing a 20-yard chip shot to send your team to the Super Bowl. Come on, Gary! Rainy Rose, making you feel good about yourself and your brand.